I want to open an account. I want to open an account. Savings account. Savings account. Current account. Current account. Deposit money. Deposit money. Withdraw money. Withdraw money. I need a bank statement. I need a bank statement. Lost my card. Lost my card. Credit card. Credit card. Debit card. Debit card. ATM. ATM. PIN number. PIN number. Can I get a loan? Can I get a loan? Interest rate. Interest rate. Fixed deposit. Fixed deposit. Overdraft. Overdraft. Fill this form. Fill this form. Identification. Identification. Passport. Passport. Utility bill. Utility bill.